brothers and sisters, today I'm going to do a video on using beard butter. Now, that's usually the next step for a lot of people after they put oil in. So after you put your oil in and you've waited about 5 minutes to let that oil get in there and dry down and get in there, your next step you're going to move to butter. But there are two different kinds of butters that are out there. You get the poured butters that are in a tin, or you have liquid butter. Now, when I first started out, I really liked the poured butters, but I have since switched and moved on to the liquid butters, like this one. Now, I am using it unscented today, so what you want to do is you're going to get it all mixed up. If you are using the poured butters that come in a tin, you're going to take it out with your finger, and you're going to put it in your palm, and the next step is used with both of these. So once you get the product in your hand, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to emulsify it. Get it in your hand, work it in your hand, heat it up, get it to where you got a nice consistency like that. Now, butter is not for the skin, it's for the hair itself, to give nutrients, keep it moisturized, and keep that hair feeling good and growing, because all of us, in the end, we want that beard to grow, we want it to be healthy. So take it, you're going to work it in, yeah. Get it all the way, get it to the old guys, the old beard hairs, get it underneath. There we go. Let's work it in. There we go. Got it all in there. Work it in so you don't, till you get all the product off your hand. And once you've worked it in, and if you have some on your hand, I either like to put it in my hair, and also liquid butter and regular butter work really good on your body. Especially if you're in a cold climate, you can use this and it'll keep your skin from getting chapped. Keeps everything, keeping it moisturized. So once I do that, my next step is I pull out the boar's hair brush, because I want to get that product worked through the beard. I don't want it just sitting in one place. I'm going to brush it, get it going. Now, after I do this, my next step is I take my Chicago comb and I'm just going to brush it through, get it pretty much looking how I want. And that way, if this is your last step and you don't do balms, this is where you're going to get it in shape and how you want it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, Tactical Santa Order is for life.